Hi children, welcome to all. This is TM HND Nada Saraswati Public School, Vadapudupatti. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe in your home. I am Divya, your social science ma'am. Today you are going to study about the social. They are from history. Okay. Already I explained in your last class. You are going to study three parts: history, geography, and civics. What is history? See here. What do we know about the past? See, what did the people wear, eat, lived in the house, get the jobs, games also you're going to see. Okay, this is chapter 1. In this chapter, you are going to see about the where did the people live, what did they eat, what are the things used by the people, then how did they move from one place to another, then when it developed and settled life started. Okay, these things you are going to see one by one. Shall we see? Yes. What is this? Do you know your history? Don't know. Do you know about your family history? Don't know. Just you ask your parent, what is our family history? Now, what happened yesterday, last year? You don't know. Somebody's know, but all the members don't know that. Okay. This in this lesson you are going to see where did the people live, movement of the people, names of the land, finding about the past, different past also you are going to see. Then what can we know about the past? Already I told you know eating habits, then class they wore, house they lived, lives of different people. Okay, then where did the people live? Early people were hunters and gatherers, you know, so they are wanderer from one place to another. It means move from one place to another. They started the settled life later only. See here this picture. What is this? The people are lived in the caves. Then not only their caves, they are lived on the tree, under the tree holes, and then use the dens. These are the places the people are lived. Okay, then how did they start the settled life? See, they are not only the hunter and gatherers, there are farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, craft persons, artists, musicians, and scientists also they lived, you know. Then what did the children played? Then this is a Narmada river. Can you find the river? Yes. This river along the several hundred years ago, the people are lived. See here, they are fruit gatherers, you know. They gather the roots, fruits, forest products. Then they gather and use it by themselves. They also hunted, you know. They hunt the animals and eat, eat the flesh and wore the cloths. Then catch the fishes from river banks. They are living the nearby the river banks, you know. They catch the fishes and gather that. See here the forest products. They forget they gather the forest produce and use it to cook food and then build the houses on the tree. These are the things done by themselves. It all, you know, roots, gather the roots, fruits, and animals. These are the things collect and they know about the vast wealth in the forest that is surrounding the plants, you know. Then after that, they started the settled life. Try to start nearby the settled life. They are living nearby the bank of river. They started the Suleiman and Hirdar hills. They started the settled life on 8,000 years ago. 8,000 years ago. And then see, this is a Suleiman and Kirdar hills. It is located in the northwest of India. It is located in the northwest of India. And then they first grow the crops nearby there. The first crabs grown 8,000 years ago. Not only that, animal rearing also done by themselves, and then they started the village culture also in the Suleiman and Kirdar hills. Okay, see, this is a first crabs, wheat and barley grown by the early people. And then next they started the settled life and then grow the crabs is the rice. Rice was the first to grow in the north of India's Vindhya. This Vindhya is located in the central India. Okay, central India. This is a rice, paddy seeds. Whether you see this, yes, somebody's have field. Their field only seen this. Okay, then see, I told Vindhyas and Garo hills. Agriculture started that. Agriculture, the Vindhya is located in the central India. Garo hills is in northeast of India. Okay. Then next, the early cities. How the early city was built? The early city was started in the river banks of Indus and the river banks of Ganga. In these two cities in the started earliest. Okay, I told Indus and their tributary started the city life 4700 years ago. Okay, some of the earliest cities flourished on the bank of these rivers. Okay, and then later about 2500 years ago cities developed on the banks of the Ganga and its tributaries and along the sea coast also. Okay, see, the Ganga. Ganga was known as Magadha. It is located at the south of Ganga. The Magadha place is located at the south of Ganga. Nearby have the Magadha. This Magadha is located at the river Son, that is tributary of Ganga. Magadha is the powerful kingdom. It is located at the south of Ganga river. Okay. See, next we are going to see about the migration. What is migration? The people moved from one place to another. They crossed the deserts, mountains, rivers and seas. Why the people are migrate from one place to another? They need a settled life, livelihood, natural disaster, army conquest, merchant trading, religious preaching, adventures. What is this reason? What is the advantage? Next we are going to see the next classes. Okay, what happened, how did get the name of our country? We are going to see the next classes elaborately. Okay, wow. See, next class we are going to see find out the past of manuscripts and inscriptions. What do date means, BC and AD? These are the things we are going to see the next class. Thank you to all. Thank you, students. We will see the next class in this lesson once again and elaborately established. Okay, thank you. Take care of you.